students, we will see how do we change the statement. If the reported verb is in the past tense, verb first form is changed into second form of verb and second form is changed into had plus third form. And words of nearness are generally changed into the words of distance like this, that, now, then. Here is changed into there, ago into before, these into those, today into that day, yesterday the previous day, tomorrow the next day, next week the following week, last night the previous night. But such changes can be avoided if sense become clear even without their use. Okay. Now look at the sentence. Rohit said to me, I am now very happy. Rohit told me that she was very happy. The word then can be avoided here. Ria said to Bob, I am going abroad today. Ria told Bob that she was going abroad that day. Robin said to me, we played a match yesterday. Robin told me that they had played a match yesterday. See here, I am is used and here he was. I am going abroad today. She was going abroad today. I is changed into she and am is changed into was. We played. Second form of verb is changed into the had plus third form of verb. Okay. Now look for some more example. Deepa said to her father, I am sorry. Deepa told her father that she was sorry. She and was. Here I is changed into she. I refer to Deepa and I am into was. I said to the teacher, I am working hard. I told the teacher that I was working hard. The teacher said to us, you have done well. You is changed into we because you refer to us. Teacher told us that we had done well. Have is changed into had. Ram said, I have been ill since Monday. I is changed into he. I refer to Ram. Ram said that have been is changed into had been. I is changed into he. Ram said that he had been ill since Monday. The coach said to me, you played very well yesterday. The coach told me that I had played very well the previous day. Okay. So you is changed into I. You refer to me. Played. Second form is changed into had plus third form. And yesterday is changed into the previous day. I said to him I was doing my duty. I told him that I had been doing my duty. Raman said I shall go there. Raman said that he would go there. One more thing, students, if the reported speech expresses some universal truth, habit, historical incident or permanent fact, its stance remain unchanged even if the reporting verb is in the past tense. If the reported speech consists of two actions taking place at the same time, its stance remain unchanged, whatever the stance of the reporting verb may be. Okay. If the reported speech expresses some universal truth, habit, historical incident or permanent fact, so its stance remain unchanged. We cannot change its stance. And if the reporting speech consists of two actions taking place at the same time, its tense also remain unchanged, whatever the tense of the reporting verb may be. See how. Now have a look. He said God is omniscient. He said that God is omniscient. Boy said, I take exercise daily. The boy said that he takes exercise daily. The teacher said the earth revolves around the sun. The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. The Jack said, while I was singing, Della was dancing. Jack said that while he was singing, Della was dancing. Here is no change in the tense of any sentence. See, not here, neither here, not here, and not here. Okay. So, if the sentence is to any universal truth or any habitual action, or when two actions are taking place at the same time, so we do not change the stance of the sentence. Okay.